Let's learn how to read. The cub is in his den. 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 The cub is in his den.
Now it's your turn.
Where is the cub? In his den. The cub is in his den. Who is in the den? The cub. The cub is in his den.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.